Here we are, opening day of pheasant season. Pheasant season. Go hunt some birds, huh? Are we? This is Cali. She's a 2.5-year-old golden retriever. Third year of bird hunting. She's ready. She knows what's going on. Where is it? Find it. Get in there. Flush him up. Come on. Alright, come on. Where is it? Get it. Get it. Good girl. Bring it here. Fetch it up. Bring it here, Kelly. Good girl. Good girl. Bring it here. Bring it here. Callie, come on. Fetch it up. Bring it here. Good girl. Bring it here. Come on. Callie, bring it here. Hey. Bring it here. Good girl. Come on. Come on. Callie, come on. Hey. Callie, bring it here. Good girl. Come on. Hey, don't chew it up. Hey. Shh. Good girl. No. Good girl. Hey, good girl. Look at that. Nice hen. Yeah. Shh, shh. Nice hen. Shh, shh. Good girl. Okay, go find another one. Go find another one. Alright, come on. Good girl. Come on, find some more. There's more out there. Come on. Good girl, Callie. Bring it here. Bring it here. Come on. Bring it here. Hurry up. Fetch it up. Let's go. Bring it here. Come on. Hurry up. Hurry up. Come on. Fetch it up. Good girl. Good girl. Hurry up. Good girl. Hurry up. Bring it here. Callie, here. Now. Come on. Here. Here. Come on. Come on. Shh, 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 shh. Good girl. Good girl. Look at that. Look, quail, huh? That's our first quail. That's our first quail ever. All right, come on. Let's get some more. Come on. Let's get some more. Come on. There's more. Come on, find them. Callie. Callie, Callie, Callie. Callie. Come on, over here. Come on, up here. Hey, come here. Callie, come here. Oh. Good girl, Callie. Bring it here. Good girl. Good girl. Bring it here. Come on. Fetch it up. Bring it here. Good girl. Yeah. Good girl, Callie. Good girl. Okay, drop it. Leave it. Hey, leave it. Good girl. Shh, 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 shh. Good girl. Shh. Look at that. Another little quail, huh? Little quail? Yeah. Shh. All right. 3 down. We got some more to go. All right, come on. Fetch them up. Good girl. Come on. Find some more. They're in there. Get close. Come on. Callie, over here. There you go. Has to be one in there. Where is it? Good girl, bring it here. Good girl, bring it here. Good girl, bring it here, come on. Come on. Hey, bring it here. Cali, fetch it up, bring it here. What is it? What's in there? Is that where he was? Is that where he was hiding? Good girl. Good girl. Need a break? That's a good girl. Good girl, Cali. Good girl. Need a break? You have more? Alright, come on, let's go find some more. Hey, right here. Right here, go. Right here. Good girl, Cali. Good girl, Cali. Good girl, Cali. Got a chucker, huh? Hey, 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 hey. Good girl. Shh, shh, shh. Got a chucker, huh? Good girl. Hey, shh, 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 shh. Look at it, look at it. Chucker. Good girl, Cali. Good girl. Here, with some water. Here. Good girl. All right. Good girl, Cali. Good girl. Good girl. Be in here. Good girl, Cali. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Hey, 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 hey. I got it. 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 Hey, I got it. Shh, 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 shh. Good girl. Another chucker. Wait. That's a pheasant. I mean, that's a quail. I didn't expect to see another quail. Hold on. Good girl. Good girl, Cali. Bring it here. Good girl, Cali. Bring it here. Come on, fetch it up. Let's go. Bring it here, Cali. Good girl. There's that rooster. There's that rooster. Good girl. Good girl. Bring it here. Come on. Good girl. Bring that rooster here. 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 There you go. You got him. Shh, shh, shh. Let's look at him. Easy. Shh, easy. Look at that rooster, huh? How pretty he is. How pretty that rooster is, Cali. Look how pretty he is. Good girl. Good girl. You're a good dog, yeah. Took us a while, but we found him, huh? Good girl. Easy. Alright, come on, let's go take a break. Come on. Cali. Cali, hey. Well, here we are. Here we are, Papa. Finished our hunt with Cali. Went 7 for 7. Did a great job finding the birds. Did an okay job shooting them. Might have missed a few times, but we got them. That's all that matters. Had a great time. Both a little out of shape. It's all hot out here in Southern California, but not bad for our opening morning of pheasant and chukar and quail hunting. Got our first quail together. Got more pheasants, more chukar. Looking forward to next time. Until then, safe hunting.